Hello and welcome. Today I'll show you how to add a YouTube video to a SendGrid email to make your campaigns more engaging. First, log into your SendGrid dashboard and navigate to Marketing. Click on Single Sends. Open the email editor and select where you'd like to place the YouTube video. Next, go to YouTube. Find a video you want to embed. Now copy its URL. Back in SendGrid, you can either embed the video link by adding a thumbnail image of the video and linking it to the YouTube URL, or use the HTML block in the drag and drop editor to embed the video manually. Once embedded, you can customize the thumbnail to make it stand out. Make sure to preview the email and test it by sending a test email to yourself to ensure the video link works as expected. That's it. Adding video content can significantly boost engagement. So give it a try in your next email campaign. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. If you haven't tried SendGrid, just hit the link in the description and get your free trial today.